Ayo, what is up gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So this video is a request from one of my dear subscriber. He reached out to me on Instagram telling me to react on this song, and he also told me that the singer is his brothers and they are from Meghalaya. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this song has for us on the table. So the name of the song is Jesus and You, Drew Jacobs. So this is a cover song, cover by Pyrkhat Khardewsaw. So he is a Khasi. And yeah, before we totally get into the video, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. So let's just jump straight into the video and let's enjoy the ride. Light Trap Productions. Wow, looks beautiful. Wow, amazing cinematography. This is really dope. And also the scenery is beautiful. It has this, mesmerizing view. Wow.
You don't hear the prayers I say for
Amen.
you in sleep, but to him and I, those are the secrets that we keep.
Wow.
I love your smile, I love your heart, oh girl, this love is true.
That bold voice, and the accent is so perfect, It's like I'm listening to a country singer from the last century. Hey.
And all I need is Jesus and you.
Wow.
Girl, you saved me, I promise, baby, I'll always be the man you need. 'Cause I'm blessed here with you beyond belief.
Wow.
I send my prayers and thank the Lord, and I try to pay my dues. Honey, all I need is Jesus and you.
That's how love should be, Put God first, and then your relationship and stuff should come after it. And I love the fact that he's putting Jesus first, and then his honey, his girl. Appreciate that.
To you I'd give the world and wish upon my lucky stars.
Wow.
That you'd never take this love out of my heart.
Wow.
The way you grin and giggle when you heard me say I do. All I need is Jesus and you. Girl, you save me, I promise, baby, I'll always be the man you need. 'Cause
I should say, he should make some original songs instead of cover. That would be better. That would be great. That would be amazing.
I'm blessed here with you beyond belief. I send my prayers and thank the Lord, and I try to pay my dues. Honey, all I need is Jesus and you.
Wow. I really want to visit this place for real. It's like heaven on earth.
Girl, you save me, I promise, baby, I'll always be the man you need. 'Cause I'm blessed here with you beyond belief. Girl, you save me, I promise, baby, I'll always be the man you need.
Hey.
'Cause I'm blessed here with you beyond belief. I send my prayers and thank the Lord, and I try to pay my dues. Honey, all I need Jesus and you. Honey, all I need is Jesus and you.
Wow, this was really amazing. Your voice is awesome, bro. You're an amazing singer. You should really make some original stuffs. Man, shout out to you, bro. Pyrkhat Khardewsaw. And also shout out to the original singer Drew Jacobs. You know, keep making more music like this. It's really good to listen to your voice. It's so soothing to the ear. I really enjoyed from deep within my heart. Your voice was amazing. And at the same time, you know, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. Thank you so much. Hey, yeah, Northeast for life.